So this is my $50 50cc dirt bike, if you will, that I picked up not that long ago. It has a lot of work to be done on it. Front brake is broken. This one isn't connected to anything. I don't know if it runs. Kickstand needs fixed. My feet will not fit on these foot pegs, so I'm thinking about moving them back, possibly onto the swing arm. And of course it needs a wash. Look at all that dirt. Dusty. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now I'm going to see if it actually works. And the first thing you should do when testing to see if any motor works is check if there is spark. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to take the spark plug off and spray some starter fluid in it, and if it sparks up, it works. And I just need to find further problems, or if there are no further problems, just put gas in it and go. Of course I need to fix the brakes first because there are none, but my other mini bike doesn't have brakes either, so I should be good. I just sprayed some in the spark plug hole, and now I'm going to see what happens. Oh, that's good. That's a good sign. Okay, so it has spark. Honestly, I might just try and put some gas in there real quick. Oh, it's got something in it. Oh, that's gas, really. Yeah, that's gas. Have a dirty carb and then need to be cleaned. I don't have time to get into the carb right now, so I'm gonna have to do a second part. But I will let you guys know. Wow. Great. Alright guys, I will be doing a part 2 to my dirt bike build soon. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, leave a comment and tell me what I can do better. Other than that, thank you and keep grinding.